Hello, blessed and beloved jewelry community. Welcome to this tutorial number 15 with Blender 290 for jewelry design. My name is Damien Rohrbach. Thanks for subscribing, sharing and liking. The website is ATELIER.design. Today I want to show you deformations, modifiers, and I'm going to show the differences and why one is my favorite. So well, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to add a cube here. And well, so we have three options: Laplacian deform, mesh deform, and lattice, which could be called lattice deform, but just called lattice. Okay, so let's create another cube. Let's center the cube again. Okay, let's make it bigger. So Control A. So this one I'm going to divide it just once, just to show you how it works. This one I'm going to cut it this way 10 times. Okay, and I'm going to divide it, I think, once like that. So now, on this small guy, I'm going to put a mesh deform, and I'm going to select the bigger mesh, the bigger cube, and I'm going to bind it. So it's binding. It's quite slow sometimes, you must know that. So now, when I go to this guy and let's say take these vertices and move them here, make them smaller, we can see that this one got deformed because they're binded, and this is the operandus mesh, the one affecting the other one. So I go to edit mode and I can work like this, and I'm deforming the other cube. So something like this. And I can well, exaggerate some parts, and I'm going to get the deformations. So let's take this guy that I want, and it's pretty interesting. The deforming tools are very useful for jewelry design in Blender. They're very powerful. But the mesh deforming tool is not my favorite one, because basically it's not so much for us, it's more for character design in animations. Because you have like a main mesh and you have some object depending on that main mesh. And in these cases, you're going to use the mesh deform more efficiently. For modeling, it's not the best option, but it's interesting. So if I put a subdivision surface after here, but still it's interesting. All the deforming tools are useful in their own ways, and depending the situation, you wanna know them all, because sometimes it's better. Here I can create by example to model prongs for prong settings or any kind of design. Well, the deformation tools are very useful. So this is a quick example of the mesh Deform. Okay, I'm going to save. Where are the videos? Videos right there, right here. Video 15. Okay, video 15. Okay, so that was mesh deform, and it's nice because it's a, well, I can unbind it and then bind to another one. So keep. That's the interesting part of this system, that you can make one mesh which is going to deform several other meshes with that same shape. So it's a very interesting way of designing. Once this deforming mesh is set, then I can bind other meshes that are going to be deformed with that shape. Okay, anyway, let's erase this one. So that was the mesh deform. So let's remove these guys. Same cube here. Now we have the Laplacian deform. So the Laplacian deform requires you to create a vertex group or several, well, works with one. So I'm going to create just a vertex group. So I'm selecting these vertices like this, and we go here and we put plus a sign, and this is good. Let's change the name just to example here. Okay, so that's, you can check if it worked by doing the select. Okay, always now. Okay, now. So the Laplacian deform works on the mesh itself. It doesn't depend from another mesh. And that's also why it's not my favorite yet. Okay, so let's go to Laplacian deform, and here, anchor weights, example, bind. We need to bind every time. And now what happens? Just by deforming some of these, because these are now anchor vertices, the mesh, when this one is very light, depends on the weight of each vertex, but it's not relative to the weight. The weight must be set to something which is normally 1, and that's enough. But if your vertex has a weight of 2, it won't deform twice as much as the other vertices. Okay, so so we can see I'm editing the mesh, but the mesh is not behaving normally as it would, because that's the shape of the vertices and all. When I go out of edit mode, the Laplacian deform modifier deforms the mesh as it was at the beginning. All right, so well, let's do that more like this. And the interesting part is that I need to make less modification to the mesh, to the anchor vertices, to get the deform, well, the deform result through the Laplacian deform modifier. Let's do this. So again, for prong designs, this is also pretty good. But what I don't like with this modifier is, let's say I'm going to unbind it, and my original mesh is totally destroyed, and that's not cool, because now I need to erase it and make a new cube. So now let's go to my favorite, and I'm going to explain. It's very easy to understand why it's, well, it's not only my favorite, it's generally, I think, the favorite deforming modifier. It's the lattice, lattice modifier. So it's very simple. Well, let's say I'm going to divide my full cube here, and let's create just a lattice here somewhere. Let's put it here. Let's put a bit more divisions here. All right, so now the cube is going to get the lattice modifier and the lattice that are just one here. And it's good like this, strength 1, which is normal. So now when I take the lattice and deform the lattice, woo, the cube gets deformed. But as you can see, it's live and it's way more efficient. And that's why I think it's the best modeling deform modifier, because it's very easy to set up, and we can really model the base mesh, but we are modifying the lattice, which means that if I just remove the lattice, my base mesh never changed. Let's go back, and well, it's very easy to understand why this modifier is, I think, the best modifier for modeling, and well, not only jewelry, also many other things. And I think many designers know that and can take advantage of that. So well, I'm going to create a design now using the lattice deform, and well, I'm going to import first the stones. So let's go for the stones again, don't go wrong here, 3. Here we are. So as always, around center stone, but I'm going to use pear-shaped stones this time, because I don't want to do always the same, obviously. Okay, center stone, 645, 1 carat. Okay, that's good. We're going to create a ring front view, so add circle to view, 9, number 8 here somewhere. All right. I'm going to raise this. Okay, that's the pear-shaped stone. Let's bring it. Okay, this one's going to be 2, 3. I know it's the same, sorry. So 3 here and copy the proportion right here. So we'll have a look at this stone. Okay, that's pretty nice. Okay, or 3 by 4, and copy this one here. All right. Okay, I'm going to use that. Let's go on the other side. Let's go here. Let's bring it here somewhere. Okay. Well, anyway, I want to create leaves. So I'm going to add a plane here. I'm going to move it here. GS. All right, let's start modeling some here. And I'm going to adapt a bit here. All right. So obviously now, because these are advanced tutorials for good and bad reasons, I'm going to go faster generally, but make more complex designs. And generally the explanation is obvious enough on screen to understand exactly what I'm doing. All right, we have this. Let's put a mirror. Based on the stone, let's put the clipping. Let's take these guys. Here we are. Okay, we have this. Let's solidify this. Let's solidify this at 1.2. Direction 1. Okay, so I'm going to take everybody here. I'm going to put 1.5, I guess. All right. It's pretty good. Now let's put some subdivisions. I go to 3. Generally, it's good enough. Smooth. Okay, so now I'm going to use the lattice deform. Well, I'm just going to put it here. I'm going to create the lattice. Let's move it here somewhere. Let's put it to a better size here. Something like this should be pretty good. Let's put 4. No, let's put 5 divisions. Yeah, here we should be good. So now I'm going to assign that lattice here. Okay, so nothing happens. We're good. If something happens, something is wrong. It means that your lattice has some deformation that it shouldn't have at the beginning. Okay, let's go to edit mode. So now when I'm going to edit the lattice, beware of the X-rays so you can see. We are going to get very smooth deformations and very versatile deformations. Okay, so I'm going to shape my leaf a bit here. And also the nice thing is that I can affect the thickness locally by affecting the lattice this way. And as you can see, it's live, like I said. So that's why generally we love this deformation tool. And for obvious reasons. Okay, X-rays. Now this side I want it thinner, I guess. So front view, yeah, I want it thinner, but let's bring this guy a bit downer here, but further here. Okay, that's pretty good. Now let's bring these guys higher. Okay. Now I want to affect only 2 ranges. I think these. Okay, just this one missing. I want to mark the central lines. So I want these guys now. Okay, something like that. So this is really nice because of what we can achieve with such a modifier for, like I already said, so obvious reasons. I'm going to move these a bit higher. Yeah. And now let's take these also. Okay, so I have this. Is pretty nice. I like this pretty much. I want something more organic today because also, well, I do design a lot of classic jewelry, industrial jewelry for catalogs and clients, but it's not my favorite jewelry. If I have one, but I know it's not that one is not my favorite. I prefer more, well, whatever. Okay, we have this. What I don't know yet, well, let's go and add an empty plane axis around here somewhere. Let's put an array. Okay, so let's set material. This one is going to be yellow gold here. Okay, it's based on object offset empty. So this is where they are. Okay, it's going to go at 60. This needs a, okay, there's a problem with the, okay, so I'm going to make a copy. I'm going to hide the original. I'm going to, sorry. That's the original. Okay, this, all right. Anyway, let's transform. Wait a second. Let's remove this for a second. Let's make this mesh. Let's put the origin to geometry first. Let's undo all transformation. Thank you. And let's put the array on this one. Here and from right here. Okay, that's 6. That's pretty nice, but they're touching down there. So well, anyway, I want to sculpt this, so I really copied the original. So let's go and no, wait a second. I want to, okay, so these are the leaves here. Thank you. Okay, let's go to sculpting mode. Okay, front view, dino top 2. I got a warning. Let's see if the warning is going to affect us much. Okay, so I want to detail the leaf a bit by sculpting. Yeah, all right, this is going well. So I'm going to put this string 85. All right, so now we have this. No, sorry, I don't want that. I want the basic layout. All right, so down there, I want to sculpt a bit. Still with the dino top on. Let's remove a bit here. Well, you know what? Yeah, okay. It's better if I have this on, because I can remove. I can remove that a bit. Yeah, but that damaged the leaf too much. Okay, let me see if without the dino top is going to be better. So just smoothing here. This is quite fast because I don't want to make the tutorial too long. That's a bit nicer. But then what I'm going to do, okay, good. Okay, but this is something else then. Okay, here. Almost got it. Almost got it. Okay, I'm going to leave it just like this. And what I'm going to do is put another edge. So let's go like at 48. Now thing is, let's make it at 62. I want to achieve this edge. No, it doesn't. Okay, so let's mark it smaller. 32, 55. All right. Okay, I like the shape, but now I have a problem there. Let's smooth this anyway a bit. All right, let's move this here. Okay, I'm going to put this on 3.5. I'm going to work on this a bit. Okay, it's almost good. Yeah, smooth. Less was too strong, so that would destroy. Okay, that side is pretty good. I just need to reach out here. Okay, I don't like that edge at all, and I'm going to undo until I'm happy again. That's here. So I'm going to create a curve, Bezier curve. Like I always say, what doesn't work is because it doesn't have to work. I'm going to make a nicer edge totally differently. There's no reason to use the sculpt mode for that anymore. For the rest, I like it. It's what I wanted there. So now let's create some edges here. We can even make it very nicer. Okay, this guy obviously doesn't go here, it goes somewhere here, and this guy goes somewhere here. All right, we'll see about that. Now let's create top view, add curve circle. Let's center it somewhere here. Let's make it way smaller here. 1 millimeter should be way enough here. This and that here. This and that somewhere down here. So let me check here. Make it bigger. Nice. Now with this, I'm going to bevel. Now bevel geometry. Bevel. This one. It's obviously too fat, but this hasn't Okay, let's go at 0.7, 0.6. That's nice. Okay, let's set everybody in the correct position. Part is nice. So we're going to solve that. Obviously, I could, yeah, I could have moved the lift, or I could make it smaller, right? But I like the position it has already. Okay, so that's why I'm not doing that. Obviously, many will be asking, why isn't he making that leaf smaller or something like that, just to solve that thing on the side here. But it's simply because I liked the position I have for now. So I'm going to add, come on man. All right. Nothing is selected, nice. True, if nothing, I like that message there. I'd never seen that message in Blender saying that nothing is selected. Pretty good. No, it's the white one. White one, green one. Nope. Okay. So we might be getting somewhere soon. There. That's pretty nice, but we could change also the tilt. Minus 20 degrees, minus 15 degrees. All right, front view. This guy is not smooth enough. All right, we have that. That's pretty good. So down there, so because now obviously I'm going to activate the mirror based on the stone. I'm also going to put the same array 6 times. Radio here. I need to control AR transforms. Okay, so as you can see, now the union is way nicer. Okay, I want to do a couple of things. I'm going to close the caps. I'm not going to change. I'm not going to activate the clipping. I prefer to close the mesh like this. It has a small detail there, but I clean that later in the STL file. So, or sometimes I just keep it like this and do the mesh. Okay, let's come here. Also, this is going to receive a base ring. Here we are. Okay, here I need a subdivision to, okay, perfect. This I'm going to bring here, here, there. And I'm going to change the radius here. I'm going to make it thicker. And here. Okay, for now, I'm going to extend them. When I don't close the mesh, this one is going to go be free. Okay, so I'm going to repair the tip. Okay, this is what I wanted. It's almost perfectly clean, so I don't have to. Let's go a bit back here. Okay, I like it like this. Now, base mesh. Well, I just need a torus. Torus here. This gotta be just a bit bigger. Okay, let's put 24 here so it's smoother. Nice. Here. And there, front view. So we're gonna have that here. I think I need to move the rest a bit higher. So obviously I'm going to have problems with some of the modifiers here. So location. Well, location. Good. Smooth. Okay, I have this for now. This guy, I think, smooth again. Okay. Yellow gold, and yellow gold. This guy might be, well, let's see. I think I'm going to make it white gold. We'll see that later. Okay, that part is good. I'm just going to create an intermediate decoration. So I'm going to copy this curve. I'm going to edit first blindly. Somewhere here, I guess. On something, I mean something like that, I guess. And this one's going to go free, no, sorry, automatic. Okay, that's nice. Okay, I have this, but I want to rotate that. And okay, yeah, maybe. I should have 15 degrees, in fact. 30. Okay, at 30 I'm pretty good, but okay, I'm going to go back. I need to get the position I want now already. So this is too big. I need it smaller. Okay, let's do this for a second. Now I also need to, let's have a look closer. Yep. So here, right there. Okay, here. Let's change the resolution for you. Thank you. So I need to set this a bit better here. Okay. Now also let's put this guy at 48. It's pretty good. Okay, so now this, let's do 30 degrees, but it's still too long. Okay, this one must come way smaller. Here this is too fat. Let's go to 0.4 on this guy. 145.4. Let's have a look like this. So 30 degrees. Almost. So I think I'm going to close this shape, meaning the following click. That's pretty good on the front. I'm going to make this one smaller. Sorry. More like that. I kind of like it. Maybe just a bit smaller, everybody. Okay. And let me see. It's still too big. It's still too big. Well, I could put it higher though. Just do it a bit like that. Incorrect. And this one is good. Okay. That's not good, but now I can see. Okay, it's pretty nice. I'm going to change a bit the shape. Now this is too fat here. I need something like that, but this is too fat. Okay, this also 3, 3, 5. Good. Straight like that. Okay. I think I like it like this. Control A, location. No, sorry, rotation. Thanks. That's just a small detail. But now it's, well, I don't want it to touch the stone. Maybe do I? No, I do. So this means I can move it. Huh? This means I can make it way here. How big? Let's make it bigger again. Like that. I should hide this for a second, but well. Let's correct that. Oh, I like this shape. Nice. Okay. So as always, more time on details than on the rest, but a bit more here. Okay, it's almost okay. Let's do Control A, rotation. Thank you. All right, for these details we're good. Now on the sides. On the sides, I want a bevel for this guy, but this guy is going to go -90. It's got to be bigger, so let's go to 4.6 and copy this like that. All right, let's go at 20 degrees, I guess. All right, 4, 5. With 4, 5 then. Okay, let me check something. Marquees size. 6, 3. That's okay. 3, 6, 5. If I want smaller ones, that one's just a bit. No, but not marquees. Pier size. Pier diamond. Por favore. So, 5. These are too big. See that one. 5, 5, 3, 5. Okay, just to have a 3, 5, 5, 5. Okay, this is good. To manage to use a standard size, you know, to be able to buy the stone. Okay, and to have a normal proportion. Nice here, but I'm going to remove the rotation here. And let's move a bit outside for a second. Okay, first I'm going to make a very simple bezel for this stone. So let's add a Bezier curve here. Let's go here. Good for me. Now let's put the mirror here. Okay, now let's go and make the bevel. Okay, we have this. Let's move everybody here. Something like that. That's pretty good. Now let's correct everything here. I need just a small click. This one goes free. Now here, this one is still too long, I guess. This one is too long. Let's change it to 48. Okay, that's wow, that's almost good enough. Almost, not yet, but almost. Okay, something like that. It's obviously too fat. Now let's bring it here. I don't know. I think I'm going to use prongs, so that means that at the tip. Okay, this guy, I'm going to copy it, make it a mesh. All right, I'm going to flip it once. Okay, very good. A bit more. Okay, we have this. Perfect. Okay, now obviously I need, well, maybe prongs. Do I want prongs here? Yeah, I think I want prongs. Also on this one, I'm going to try a simple deform tapper. Okay, that's it, but -07. And I'm going to bring in a cube and do it from the cube. Now the cube, please cube. So this one is going to be -7. Say, all right, it's too strong, but it's pretty nice. That's what I wanted. I want it more conical. Let's see also if we go more. Yeah. Like this is very nice. Okay, let's hide the cube. We're good. Now, little prongs. We want little prongs. Yes, we want little prongs. So for view, add no, come on. Cursor, go back where you belong. View. up here. Now we're going to make a rotation over here, like rotation here. Here we go. Now tac tac, left click, left click, left click. See, we're pretty good. Let's make a solidify at 1. Let's make a subdivision 3 times here. Now let's convert to, or you know what? Now let's remove this one, but let's do it like this. There's more control if we can do it like this. All right, now we're too far from the stone. Let's go here, Alt A, Z, B, S, X, no, S, Y. Okay. We have this. This is pretty cool. Let's make a mirror based on the stone. Very nice. Now let's copy this guy a couple of times. Okay. Bring it here. All right, let's bring it here. I don't know how many do I want? I think how many? Okay, so this one doesn't go here. We can bring it here. Here, and this guy also. Let's bring it here. Bring it here, and you know what? Double prongs, nicer, has more style. Okay. All right. I do not like this. Yeah, I think I like this. So all that yellow gold, yellow gold, yellow gold, yellow, 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 and yellow gold. All right, we are good. Let's have top view here. Just check we're good. Yeah, we're pretty good. Okay, so that's for that, but I want some. Well, I think we're good. This needs a. All right, let's do it to this guy needs a diamond material. Diamond here. Now, not AP. Okay, I'm going to group this. Well, join that. Okay, I need this to be mesh. Convert to mesh. Thank you. All these guys also. Well, they have the same modifiers, but okay, let's go to mesh. Right now, this. This one is already a mesh. No, let's do a mesh with this guy here. That, and that. Right. Okay, good. That is a mesh. Here, we're good on the side here. Let's rotate this here and let's bring it somewhere. So how many degrees? 27. Let's go 28. Yes. Maybe I don't even need, because obviously I will be making in the body of the ring, so let's keep it like that. Now let's go at mirror, because I want some here. That's pretty nice. But now I want, well, maybe. All right, let's copy this and remove the array. Let me use, okay, now let's copy this and also remove the array. Okay, so I have that. Leaf border. Now leaf, oh, this is leaf and leaf border. I need mirror. Okay, let's make the meshes. Let's go Control J. This one is, well, let's make a mesh out of this. Leaf and leaf one, Control J. Now let's make that here. Okay, we're pretty good. Okay, I want to use the same, I think smaller on the side. So on the side here, maybe longer rotation. Where does that get rotation? SX may be longer but smaller. That was all part of the master plan, to use the same leaf somewhere here on the sides. Yeah, now we need to touch. Yeah, we need this. This is perfect. All right, this. So now make this a mirror from the stone, X and Y. Okay, nice. Okay, so now we need some kind of body for the ring. Okay, we also need here. Yeah, I do need a small border. Oh, okay, so here I'm going to copy this guy and I'm going to use a lattice to solve that small problem because, well, I can't do it like that. All right, so let's bring in a lattice, add lattice here. Where's my lattice? Here. Let's make it bigger. Okay, let's bring it at 4, I guess. We should be pretty good. I know it should be divider of 3. Okay, let's just 3, no, a little bit 5. Now also, who's not centered? Here we're not centered too well. We good now? Yes. So this guy is going to get a lattice deform from this lattice, and now let's go work on the lattice. Alors, from down here. Z, B, I don't even know where I need to go. Yeah, all right, let's go here somewhere. That's almost good already. So that's why I knew I wanted to do it like that, because this is the perfect example. SY, okay, let's see. Now, thing is, if I take the lattice and the guy, I can make everybody smaller at the same time without affecting my deformation. What I know, what I want is just a small border down here when it touches the finger, you know? Okay. So now I can, well, maybe, yes, let's take this guy and rotate so I can deform, and I can make it follow, I can even make it follow the finger. So let's take advantage of that. So that's why we love the lattice deform modifier, because it offers a lot of options. Okay, here let me take these guys. All right, SX, no wait, no, SY. Okay, SY. Okay, that's what I wanted. Yeah. Yes, it's pretty nice. Maybe I just want it to be sharper And who should I select to make it sharper? Okay, these guys, I guess. This Y. This Y. No, let's not do that. Let's redo that. Yeah, okay. That's good enough. That's good. Yeah, I mean, not good enough. Must be really good. That's good. Yellow gold. Okay, this can get the mirror effect here from the diamond. Okay. Okay, so now we just need a very nice body ring for the body. So yeah, I'm going to yeah, I got an idea. Okay, let's hide this guy. Now this is really, yeah, this is pretty already. It's getting somewhat really interesting, and we need to make a body for a ring accordingly. The style is already very good, between like Art Nouveau and something very elfish. So that's my style already more. And you know what? Maybe let me see something here. Okay. Well, but let's make the body of the ring. Okay, so for body of the ring, I'm going to create a cube down here. Out mesh cube. This guy is going to be at 1.5. Let's go on one side here. Now let's go at here. Now so first I'm going to make something really straight. So it's going to look very bad at the beginning. But now wait a second. Okay. Alright, it's because I always hit the H key instead of the G key. And that hides my rectangle, my plane. I don't want that. This is not properly placed. Okay, so here we go, almost there. E, R, G, E, R, G. So at the beginning you are going to say, man, what is he doing? We are making obviously the body of the ring, but this won't look good at all, and it won't go there, obviously. But I want something like that here. Okay, here, and it's funny because you'll see that we can do very complex things using very simple ways. Now, solidifier, let's make the mirror at once. Let's go with 3. Let's make it smooth. Let's put it, no, let's put it white gold, I guess. Okay, Z, A. So now I need to work in the other direction. So down, we're going to go this way, and also already activate the mirror, but also in the Y direction. So here we go. I want them to touch here. Now there's something weird. Who said the mirror went from the stone? Okay, yeah. Something was way off because I'm very well centered this time. All right, so now let's start working. In this dimension. but you know what? Okay, I'm going to change. I'm going to cut sooner because I don't want to hide the very pretty leaf on the side. That would be a very bad mistake of here. All right, anyway, let's start joining. So I need to join somewhere here. Yeah, it's coming out pretty good. Yeah. So I might need here. Let's go back a bit. All right, obviously that's already too far. Where are we now? Wait a second. Let's make it smaller also. Okay, now that's pretty nice. Let's don't go too far here. Okay, front view. Let's go down. Okay, let's go back. Because like I said, I don't want to touch or hide the leaf too much. Okay, something like that might be nice. Now we can also start making things more interesting like this. Yeah. So let's continue this. Maybe here I'm going to start to come closer sooner. You know what? Maybe. Oh wait, I want to see something because maybe that. Oh, sorry. Maybe that is going to be interesting. Yeah, it is pretty interesting. If I take advantage of that a bit more. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. So now also what I in fact need, okay, what I can do is that I can deform better the top and not the bottom part that much to make a more interesting shape on the side. Yes, 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 yes. Something like that. Yeah, it makes it way more interesting. I need something in the middle then. Yeah, I will need something in the middle there. But that's not so much of a problem. Okay, I kind of like the shape already. Obviously, I need to close the bottom part. This went down pretty smoothly. Okay, it's a bit too thin here. This part's too thin. That's already speaking in manufacturing point of view. Yeah, something like that. Nicer. Love these shapes. So, well, it's thin again, but let's make it. Okay, so maybe here. No, that's already the other one. Okay, here. This one needs to be thicker. All right. Okay, I kind of like that. What I could do, yeah, I know what I can do. Okay, let's copy this. Let's copy this. All right. Did I copy that? Yes, I did. Now I'm going to cut all the bottom level. I don't need that. Right. Hey, I'm going to make this smaller first. Now we're going to, yes, exactly, need it kind of yeah, we do. Alright, so here I need to come this way. Nice. I need to bring this closer here, closer there. Obviously downer. I know, you know what? Maybe there. Okay. Okay, obviously let's adapt the rest. Nice. See here to have more more volume. Yeah, that's nicer. It's way nicer. Okay, so we're getting somewhere closer to finishing this design. So, okay, obviously that's not exactly the shape I want. What do I want now from you here? Okay, so that's downside. Okay, down here. Now this is who's where. Okay, this is down. It's pretty nice, but now this is too thick. This must be thinner. Not so thin. Okay, now let's correct everybody. Alright, yeah, I want to go far this way. And let's correct that. Alright. Let's make it somewhere like that. Okay, right, yeah. Now let's go here. That's too thick. Okay. I'm not convinced yet. Obviously, you know, it's not easy to convince me. Okay, yeah. Side view. I think I won't make the crossing there. Ah, yeah, and I know why. Yup. So it means that I kind of need to take these guys back here. Go back there. Alright, here. Okay, that's not too bad now. Because then I want... Yeah, let's see. these guys, let's see the front view. So right here, let's see. So now I don't need that like that anymore. All right, let's go here then. And where? Okay, this is here. That's better. Okay, I think I'm liking this a bit better already. All right, so we need to come a bit more here. But then this is too high. Okay, let's go here. Okay. Here, where are we at? Yeah, that's pretty good. We're just a bit too high. And maybe okay. Nice, nice. And that's too high a bit. Let's go down here and these guys. It's because of this. So we don't touch the line. This should go down. And this now can go down. Yeah. That's better. Okay, obviously I think I'm going to put some stones there on the arms of the ring. And maybe, okay, so it means I want this and that to touch there. Okay, like that. Yeah, somewhere like that. Okay, I'm starting to like this pretty well now. Not done yet, but getting somewhere. Let's see here, it's smooth. Yeah, it's really nice. Now I just have some problems here. This, let's make this thicker. Let's make this hit sooner. And then this means that that should be higher. It's a bit nicer, but then we are too far still. Let me see that. This must come down right here. Okay, okay, that's pretty nice. Okay, that one's from that one. All right. So here, Z. All right, Z. That's weird. That's the bottom. Yeah, now it's too fat, no, or it's too thin here. Yeah, and it's too fat here. Okay, I think I like this part now. Yeah. Yeah. What I'm going to do is that there I'm going to change something on the bottom part. Yeah, on the bottom. I'm going to take these guys. I want this to become thick. Okay, yep. I think I'm going to maintain. Yeah, exactly. Perfect. No, sorry, I want to go down here. Come on. I'm way too close to the point. All right, so this needs to go, yeah, like that. This also a bit like that. Now let's move these guys also like this a bit, and these guys still just a bit. I think, yeah, this is really nice. Now we need to take these guys again to make that close better. Well, this could go rather like that. No, not that much. Okay, so there. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. We're going to move these guys still. We need to bring this curve a bit further. Okay. All right, now I think I like that one a lot. Okay, stones. Do we want stones? Yeah, we want stones there. Shift D. This guy is going to go at 2. It's okay. 2, not 2 is too big. 1.5 there. 1.5 and here. Okay, this is good. We're going to activate the snap to faces. Rotate center, snap with center, I guess. Now let's go J. No, you know what? I need rotation then. Rotation. Fake rotation, yes. J. I don't want to. Oh, no, sorry. Then I'm missing the. Closest. Maybe closest then. And rotation to targets, yes. Okay, I think this one should. Okay, this one is good. So this is no, wait, closest. Now then I need to go at median. Are we going to get what we want? Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, and just a couple of small stones there, because there's a lot of thickness. So how many? Just 3, so that means we gotta go here and just this is going to be the last one. Just the sparkles there on the side, here and there. Okay, we're good here. Yeah, that's good enough. Now, what are we gonna do now? We need okay, these guys, let's do a Control J. Let's do a mirror from the central stone here and Y. Okay, this is nice. We need some little prongs. You know what? Maybe. Let's go with these guys. Okay, let's do an LL Shift D Enter P selection. Ha. Sorry, let's redo that. I need to remove the snap. Shift D Enter P selection. Good. So now let's remove a second there. Okay, now origin to mesh. Okay, let's use these guys. Let's use these guys right here. So there's too much rotation. Let's just put them here. Always also about manufacturing the jewel here and there. obviously higher here. Let's adjust the rotation. Okay, nice. Let's move this guy here. Let's move here a bit more up. Let's move it here. So I do them a bit higher, thinking like I always say, middle term between render and manufacturing the dual. Okay, that's the way I do it. So then I don't have to change anything for the STL and the 3D print. I'm ready to go, and the render is made with the same. So prongs are a bit larger, and I do that because I manufacture my own jewels. So it means that I know exactly what I'm going to get when I get the metal from the casting, and or when I printed the jewel. I also print my own jewel. I've been doing that for years now, so it works. I just know it works. I do that with students also, and we do that every week. Maybe not with students, especially now with the pandemic. Obviously, it's a bit complicated to teach them. But anyway, okay, we have this. This is cool for every stone. So there's a few stones that I'm going to adjust all the prongs to each stone. That's not even boring. So because that's pretty much fun. Because this jewel came out the way I wanted. I wanted something spectacular, obviously, because I'm starting the advanced level part of the series, which is obviously will be the next videos for advanced levels, and people must understand why this is advanced level and not intermediate or beginner. And well, why I work this way at a professional level, and it must be very obvious. Yeah, I mean, many people know that by now, but I still want to show the extent of all that means, and well, there's still much to be done. Okay, here. There we are. Okay, D R G R. Yes. This is good. Then I'll have to make the cutters. Well, obviously I can take all these guys and shift D them. They have almost the same position here. Boom. Now I don't want this here, I want this, I think, here. And you know what, maybe these guys, boom, I don't want them. I just want 3 sets with this, and that's cool enough. Up. Okay. I think we're good. Well, we're generally good here. All right. Okay, here, that's really interesting. That's really pretty. So now I can go, well, I can join all the prongs. Jump. That one is a bit long. Too bad. Let's join that. Let's go to edit mode. LL, this is too high. I was more optimistic at the beginning, then I lowered. No, but I didn't lower my expectations, you know. Maybe just a bit over the years, but no, not even. No, on the contrary, what I'm saying. I raise the bar every day, I guess. I keep raising the bar. That's the spirit. All right, prongs are done. We need cutters. I also want some nice, this is too flat there on the side. I want a couple of shapes there. So I'll be doing that very fast. Okay, that's nice. Okay, we just need a couple of cutters. That's pretty boring. But anyway, let's go here. Let's add a circle for a mesh. Radius 1.5. Let's center this guy. Boom, boom, boom. Now this guy, edit mode, extrusion. Here F, T, A, B, E, S, somewhere here, a bit smaller. E, plume, S, plume, E, free. Should be good. Always a bit longer. Okay, that's the cutter here. The nice part, as always, it's that I just have to position 3 cutters and we're done. Normals, thank you. So let's go and place the cutter. What have I done? I know, obviously the radius. Then to serve 0.5. I was like, I thought the stones were too small. That would have been a bit more of an issue. But no, we're okay. We're pretty much okay here. Downer. Here, that's a bit nicer. Nicer. Let's center pretty well the stones and the cutter. Okay, that looks good. One is in place. Next, Shift-T. Boom. There, here. Rotate a bit more here, maybe a bit more here. Yeah, maybe. Okay. Do I see something there? No, not that much. But we're pretty well centered. If we don't see the stone, just a bit the edge. Okay, there you go. And obviously, adjusting the angles to every stone. Obviously that's not so fast, but like I always say, this jewel has a very nice level, so it's worth taking all the time in the world, because this is art. We're creating art. This is an art form, and many people don't think or work in such a way because they really can't give more value to their jewels. That's their problem. Okay, and that's the way they want to work. You must, I mean, I've been thinking that and doing that for decades. I've been a painter for many years. When I was 20, well, I started when I was 18 years old, I started painting at a professional level, and I did that for more than 5 years. So yeah, we must work in such a way that our work gets valued every day more, not because of the price of the gold or the gemstones, because of an art form, an art expression, and that's all. That depends on the way we work, and also the way we think and the way we act and all of that. Okay, anyway, let's keep making jewels with Blender. Well, or art. Okay, mirror. There and there. Okay, now this guy, well, just boolean once, in fact. Boolean. Yeah, in fact, I don't even need, if I make the boolean before the mirror. Yeah, so let's remove the mirror on this guy. Let's put the boolean before the mirror, and let's make the boolean of the cutters here. H, let's remove the cutters, and let's hide the stones for a second just to check. Okay. Too bad. That's bad. That's bad. But not so bad. I'm going to show you how I solved that, because that happens from time to time. Take all the cutters, make it from individual origins, and make the cutter smaller. Alright, let's hide the cutters again. It's not solving that, but it means they're too high. No. No, it's... Okay, they're too big anyway. They are too big anyway. Alright, and now I need to move them. Okay, let's go to edit mode anyway. No, wait a second. I made them too small now. Okay, let's go to edit mode. Let's make them smaller a bit, but not too much. Now I'm going to take them out a bit. Then I'll check the axis with the stones, but this is pretty good. I set them too low. Okay, let's check that, because obviously, okay, it's almost solved, almost. Because then when I manufacture, so again, let's make them just a bit smaller. If you have the drill for positions and a bit of the cone of the stone, it's nice when we manufacture that. So what I could change is rather said the prongs. The prongs they have too much curvature, but there are too many prongs. So let's rather said almost there. Okay, so let's keep taking them out. AL. Let's keep taking them out. Okay, now this one a bit more there. Oh no, sorry, it's too much here. Okay, it's pretty well centered. So now it means that also these guys, let's take them further out. I'm going to adapt the angle because I want. Okay. This is we can already that this is solving the small issue, but it's more because of the prongs I designed. Hey, come on. All right. I just want to center the whole. Wait. Yeah, more on this side. Perfect. And this guy is still too much on the inside. Just a few there, a bit. It's pretty nice. Let's move it a bit here. All right. H. Okay, we have that. The diamonds. Where are the diamonds now? Where are the diamonds? Here, diamonds. All right. That now I just want some decorations here on the side of this. So I'm going to use this. Okay, this as well. And I'm going to edit that. I want some decorations on the side of the stones. Here we go. So let's bring that. Okay, ZA. All right, so let's see. This should go there. Okay, there. Now, come on here. Which one is the top one? Okay, that's the top one. Let's make some. Yeah, I think I'm too close to the stone for now. Yeah, a bit. So let's take all these further out. Top ones, especially the top ones. Okay, that's nice. All right. Okay, let's go back inside here. No, I want this guy. outside. Okay, that's down. Okay, this. All right, I don't want that to be so thick. Just a little ridge there, nice little groove. Okay, like this. And now I don't, okay, but I want this to go way further, so maybe I will need more. Wait a second, come on out, okay, here. Come on out. So these can go from the side view. So now here we can have more freedom with this because I want it to go further. The tip as a tip right here. See. Obviously, I need to take these guys further out. Thank you. Okay. I think I want this to end at the middle of the other one. So C. G. Let's make a cut right here. So we can raise this and lower that so it ends very smoothly. Yep. We need that. Let's take this a bit more on the outside. Something like that. Yes, here this can go higher. And here's what? Wait. So I need this to go further down. Yep. Yep. Okay, but now this. Okay, this is too much. Don't cross wires like in Ghostbusters. You should avoid that. That's pretty nice, but I need this to be higher, this to be downer, I guess. Okay, I kind of like that. Okay, here I'm too far from the stones now. Okay, yep. Further here. Okay, and let's take this more in the middle there. So let's bring these guys higher here. So this means also better here, and let's go with a stronger curve here. Let me see. Yeah, here. These two guys back in. Okay, so we might need another level. Let's cut once more. I want to have a better position there because I want that to go a bit further and to be noticed, you know. It's no point of creating decorations if they're not going to get noticed. Well, even that can be discussed because sometimes it's better. Okay, we have that. Is that all? Maybe on the inside. We are on the inside. No. Well, I think, and okay, and here, I need something. Okay, I need one. Okay, I know what I'm going to put there. Okay, what we could do. Two small sides of that. Yes, we're going to try that. There's just one level missing. So let's rotate that to 0, 180. What is it? 180? 28 is going to be 0. Why not on X? G, 0 on X. Front view, finger still position here. Too bad the curve. You know what? I forgot to take. It doesn't matter that much. Let's take this guy. Let's copy it. Let's remove the lattice. No, I need the lattice. Sorry, I do need the lattice, but let's make it. Wait a second. Let me see if this is going to fit, because like I said, yeah, it's not hiding the. Okay, it's okay. But you know what? Wait. Okay, it's pretty good. Made base with this. Let's copy. Did I copy that? First of all, yes, I did. Okay, let's copy that. But let's also copy the lattice it uses, which is lattice 01. Let's copy it. Doesn't. Okay, too bad. Okay, now it got copied. It's good. So this. The other, this one is going to use lattice there. Now X from the stone. Okay, but first let me take these guys. 0. No, sorry. I need to move. No, sorry. I need to take. I know that I am. Wait a second. Who's that? Who's that? Okay, that's correct. So this and that, I should be able to move without. Yeah, I know why. Okay, 90 degrees. So, okay, let's go minus 90 degrees. Let's move it. Okay, side view. And now I'm going to change the lattice for this small object. All right. Yeah, it's not so bad. I'm going to remove the. Well, it's just that basically, and maybe that center one. So C R. Okay, how about this one? Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Well, let's move it a bit higher. And yeah. Okay, now front view. Yeah, because we're in the finger. We can't be in the finger. We just can't. Okay, this is that. This is that. Yeah, I don't. This stone is. Yeah, it's already pretty small, in fact. So I'm going to. Yes, I'm going to copy that also. X, Y, yes. Who's where? I'm going to go here and rotate here. I'm going to come here. Now let's try maybe even with a stronger rotation here. I need to get. Oh, we're so far away. But let's see from down view. Let's rotate. But we're on that side. Okay, here. Let's come inside. Okay, we're inside now. Let's try to grab that bezel. It shouldn't be too hard. Okay, we're already grabbing it. So let's move out. Okay, nice. The concept is working pretty well. Let's make a front view here and rotate more. Rotation, please. Rotation again here. Okay. Oh, we're out now. We're too way out. I might bring a. Oh, but you know what? Okay, here. Yes, almost there. Too high now. Let's get into position. Are we touching? No, not anymore. I gotta grab that. Okay, we're grabbing it. Almost grabbing it. And a bit here. Come on, gotta get there. Oh, this is almost perfection. Okay, because we're starting from the base of the other leaf. And we are grabbing, but now I'm too low. I'm in the finger. We can't be in the finger. Remember that. Oh, but this is great. I just need to rotate very slightly like this and get a bit higher. Okay, we are we are just inside there, but that's thick enough. Okay, that's okay. So what we could do is just also move inside just a bit. Oh, sorry. So I'm going to take these just a bit here on the inside, and okay, this is just too far out here. Okay. Are we out? Oh, it's light. Yeah, it's good. This is good. Okay. All right. Now also what I might do on these guys are just a small runic design, or I might just use this yeah. Okay, anyway, it's too long, but we're going to make it shorter, and I need to adapt all that here. So let me see. Let's start here. This is too long. Let's cut this here. I think we just want it there. Okay. This is too low. Okay, something like that. Now, front view. Okay, it's almost there. All right, let's bring this like that. Let's bring it in. Just maybe, well, not in. Well, I mean inside the metal body, the body of the bezel. Okay, here. It's pretty nice. Now. Okay, you know what? Let's go at the tip. Let's see. So I need this to come further out like that, but this should be thicker now. Here, let's rotate this. No, sorry. Okay. Let's rotate this like that. Okay, that's further. Let's go further out. Here. Oh, come on. Further out. Yeah, further out. That's too much round. That's too rounded. It's too much rounded. Okay, let's get a better tip here. Okay, not too much. So it's hey, come on. Come on, we're almost there. Almost there. Okay, I need this guys further out. Like that. Okay, that's already pretty nice, but it's not enough. What did I do? What did I do? Yeah, but I don't see. Okay, wait a second. I did that. Okay. I hide it. Okay, now let's move this further out, further out, further out, further out. Nice. Also this. I know. I always do. I know I always do that, but I'm going to do it again. I'm going to make, well, I never did that in a tutorial, but I do that in almost all of my tutorials. Is that, well, let me see, yeah, because I just want the decoration to come on the front. So I'm going to rotate this. I'm going to make a let me see. Obviously I flipped these guys, so I need to flip them. But that's because this goes inside there. All right. Okay, let's do that. Let's do this. I'm going to do small spiral there. It's nice because it takes a lot of space, so it fills the space really well. And it's quite organic, so I'm going to like that. All right, starting to be quite good. Now I need more faces there, obviously. Here, so from side view, E, R, E, R, E, R, S, R, one more, and we're good. Now I need to change everybody's position here. Who's with that guy? Wait, who's with that guy? Alright, this is not low enough. I need to go inside the metal. Alright, come in, pretty good. This is too strong, this can go, this is too low, this is too high, this can go higher. All right, now these, I'm going to close, oh, sorry, F. All right, but I need to go under, let's go under. Now these here, let's go under here. All right, we're almost inside, but they're too Okay, this must be thicker and this can go more on the inside. All right. All right, let's have a look at these guys. So side view for a second. That's who's with that guy. Oh wait, who is with that guy? Four. Okay, side. This guy goes there. That was no wait. That's there. So I mean that goes rather here, rather there. That's the middle. Okay, that's the middle of that. Now 4. This guy is way out. There's some. Okay, this one is from the low level on the inside. That's why it's failing so badly. Here I need another cut, so I'm going to put a cut right there. Okay, who's 4? Who's with that guy? This guy is okay. We're almost there. I just want to detail this pretty well. Okay, this is with that. Okay, this is with that now. 4, so 4 of these, 4 of these. Okay, good. So these are these 4. Very good. Okay, this longer, this downer. This higher. Now we need this guy here, this guy here. Now I want the tip to close. Nice. I know this is not from even that level. Okay, that's coming out pretty good. Yeah, almost. This one went a bit far there. And these are way too much on the inside. That's crazy. I'm going to check that on the inside. We're not okay. We're clean on the inside. Almost good. Almost good. I want maybe the tip to be okay. Just some details. Who's there? For a stylish question, I want this to be rather like that. No, wait. Okay, this is the front one and this is the back one. All right. Something like that. Styling. Okay, thicker here. No, this is not the one. This one. Okay, this one also here. This one there is this one. Yeah, we're on the inside. We're pretty good. I did just the ending there is still a bit too thin, so I'm going to take these guys and make that stronger here. Now this guy, this guy is there, but this guy can go further there. Nice. This is still too thin, I guess, because the detail, like always, so the detail shows. That's why I don't want it to be too thin, and the typical mistake on screen, it looks huge. In real life, this is very, very small. So one must take care of that. Okay, almost there. Okay, I think I'm done with the entire ring. So well, wait. This entire group is just a bit too far away. That destroys the proportion. Yeah, here. Yeah, make it bigger here. And now I just need one guy to be who's determining this guy, I think. Here. Went too far away again. On the inside there, I want to be thicker. Almost there. No, this one doesn't matter. Who's after this one? Don't tell me that it's this guy. This guy is floor level. That's weird. Okay, that's a bit better. Okay, yes. We're still too thin here. And this is too fat. Okay. The upper arm must be thicker than the lower arm. What can I select? This guy. Okay, so this guy, well, this one can be up, and so this a bit more on the outside, so okay. And well, for this tutorial, this would be all. That was tutorial number okay, it's funny. Okay, this was tutorial number 15 and advanced level. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial a lot. I hope you liked the design we did today. So that's why now this is going to be the advanced level. And also, well, I'm going to make other type of jewelry. Not, well, we're making a lot of rings, but I should be doing earrings, pendants, cuffs, very probably, and yeah, things that get more work on the modeling side, technical side also. I kind of enjoyed making this design. Yes, a lot. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Again, my name is Damien Rohrbach. Thanks for subscribing, liking and sharing. Website is ATELIER.LAUSANA.design, and take care, be nice to people. See you soon. Bye.